Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will discuss a general topic about parasitic plant and their nature, as well as epiphytes and their nature, and what is the difference between them. Let's start with parasitic plant. So what is a parasitic plant? Parasitic plant is a plant which fulfill their nutritional requirements from the host plant. That means they absorb nutrients from another living plants by their modified roots called haustoria, which penetrate the host plant, connecting them to the conductive system, either xylem or the phloem or both. It's a mango tree. This is the modified roots you can see here. I am trying to indicate the roots by which they absorb energy. A parasitic plant is harmful for the host plant as they take nutrition from the branches. The cells of these become dried out gradually. You can see here I am indicating. This is haustoria, the root structure. This is the condition. Now come to epiphytes. These are Rhynchostylis retusa growing in their natural habitats. Some Vanda tesselata are also there. They can grow also in same environment, and these are Vanda tesselata. Some Acampi species also there. I am not sure what is the exact ID from here. And this is Rhynchostylis retusa. Little, you can see little dehydrated these plants because this is winter now. Moisture is very low in the air. These are also some Acampi species. You can see it's Vanda tesselata growing in their natural habitat. This is a good example for epiphytes. You can see the roots. Epiphyte grows upon another plant or object only for physical support. Epiphytes do not take any nutrition from the host plant. They take their nutrition from the air. Their roots absorb nutrients from the air. You can see the beautiful blooms here of Vanda tesselata. Here two varieties are there. One is pink colored leaf and one is blue colored leaf. This is last week of April, and this is the blooming time of Vanda tesselata. You can see this is the huge mango tree. Vanda tesselata are anchored on it. It's a huge bunch of Vanda tesselata you can see, and many more other bunches. This is the close view of roots of epiphytes. They only anchored their roots on the host plant for support only, but they don't take any nutrition from the host plant. So that's all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates. Thanks for watching. Have a nice